Hey guys, so this is another video on the series that I'm doing about hauls and reviews on different brands or categories of makeup. I'm hoping that this one is a little bit shorter because every one that I have done so far has been ridiculously long. So this one, as you could probably tell from the title, is a hard candy one, and luckily I only have like 4 items of hard candies. So let's just get started. Okay, the first one is probably my least favorite, unfortunately, and I was actually like most excited about this. It's the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 15. And if you can see how separated it is, see how it's kind of like this darker color and then it goes to like this light liquidy stuff? It separates so bad, and there's literally chunks in there. I'm not even kidding you. There are like chunks of stuff. I wish you could see. And not only that, I could probably even live with that if I like really loved the product. I would just like have to shake it up a whole bunch before I used it. But honestly, I shit you not. I'm sorry, but seriously, it smells like pure sunscreen. It's literally like having tinted sunscreen. And in my opinion, tinted moisturizer should not smell like straight up sunscreen. It literally like burns my face when I put it on because it is so strong of like the sunscreeny chemicals and stuff, and it's super greasy. Like, you know, when you go out to this like to go swimming or something in the summertime, or when you know that you're going to be in the sun for a long time, you have to kind of put on a lot of sunscreen, and you get like that greasy feeling and look to your skin. That's what this does. It's terrible. And I had actually seen a good review on this, and I wonder why theirs was so much better, or why they thought it worked better for them, because I have no idea how this worked well. This was actually like $7 or something at the department store. What is it called? Oh my goodness, I'm having such brain queefs today. Basically at like Walmart, okay? I can't think of what else to call it, but basically I got this at Walmart. And I really love the packaging. Super cute. Hard Candy has such cute packaging. I love it. You get a pretty good amount of product, and it has like this little pop cap, and then it squeezes out the hole, but it's just so messy, and it like clumps up and separates, and it smells just like sunscreen, and it's so greasy on my face. So I am not happy with that. This is the color Fair. It's very like yellow based. I just was not happy with that whatsoever. Okay, next thing. I'm gonna leave the best thing for last, because I feel like in all these hauls and reviews I've been like dogging on a lot of the products, and I don't want you guys to think that I'm just like a negative Nancy and I just don't like anything, because it's not true. I'm actually really passionate about a lot of stuff. I'm just very honest. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So basically this next product it's called Hot Smudge Line Smudge Shadow Blend, and obviously it's by Hard Candy. It has that cute little decoration that most of the Hard Candy stuff has on it, with the little swirls and everything. Okay, and it comes basically with 2 colors of cream product, and it's got, let me open it really quick for you guys. It comes with this one particularly. I think it has, I wonder if it has like a name for this specific one. Yeah, this one is Rocker Chick in 289, and it's got the sparkly green. I wish you could see the sparkles a little bit better, and then it's got the matte black. And with this kit, with this little thing, it comes with a little brush, and it's basically like a liner brush, angled liner brush, and then a smudger on this side. So it's liner, smudger. Okay, and I actually quite like this brush. I use it pretty often. It's not too thin. It's a little bit thick for liner, but I like to use it when I pack on some eyeshadow on top of my liner to try to keep it all day, and it's pretty nice. As for the product itself, I'm not very happy with it at all, unfortunately. Let me swatch it really quick for you. I feel like it's very like, I feel like it sweats, if that makes sense. It sweats, and then like the liquid like pools at the top of it, and it just feels like very like liquidy and greasy. It basically feels like I'm putting like paint tar stuff on my face, and it works terribly for liner because it basically smudges everywhere, and it's really wet and kind of greasy. And I feel like it could work as like a base for a shadow, but it's so wet, you're gonna really want to be careful where you put it, because then it'll slide everywhere, because it's made for smudging, so it doesn't really stay put, and so you got to put a lot of shadow on top. But I feel like it's kind of hard to create like a shape with it before you put the shadow on. I don't know. I don't have a lot of luck with it, but I'm obviously keeping it. I'm hoping to use it for a base at some point. But I really like the little brush that came with it. And I'm sorry, I can't remember how much this was, but most of the, I'm sorry, another brain queef. Most of the hard candy products are anywhere from like, they're about $5 usually at Walmart. And they're only sold at Walmart now, by the way. They used to be like a more higher end company that was sold at like Sephora and stuff, I believe. And then it basically, something happened with the company. Now they only get sold at Walmart. Okay, next product is another flop. Really sorry. I actually love hard candy products, and I really want to get my hands on some of their shadows because they have really pretty like dual shadows that look kind of like MAC shadows. But anyways, this one is the Lash Tinsel Glitter Mascara, and I have like a little sample. I don't know if they have bigger sizes, but this is the one I have. And this one is black with silver sparkles. I'm not sure if it has like a name for the color. It's not looking like it does. It's just called glitter mascara. Basically, you take this off just like a regular mascara wand. It's small, and it has pretty good bristles on it. They're pretty stiff, so they separate really well, but the mascara and the glitter itself suck so bad. You have to build and build and build and build and build and build and build to get any sort of a difference, and the glitter falls in your eye and stuff. It's just sickening. I will never use this because it actually hurts my eye. The cute little package is fantastic. I love the detailing. My camera looks terrible right now. I'm really sorry. I'm hopefully getting a new one soon though. Anyways, the detailing on the package is freaking cute. I love it. I love the size of it. It's very convenient. Fits in a travel bag and everything, but I'm just gonna have to give it to somebody who doesn't mind that I've used it because, I just don't like it. I'm sure it'll work for some people. Maybe it's just my eyelashes. Maybe my eyelashes are like just so too thin or something. Okay, last product. I don't want this one to be long. Last product is my favoriteest ever, favoriteest, and it's actually not just like my favorite hard candy product, it's my favoriteest lip gloss ever. Okay, so this is the Hard Candy Plexigloss Glossy Lip Shine. Basically, it's just clear lip gloss, and it's bomb. Okay, first of all, I love the tube. Okay, I know it's just a regular tube, it's crazy, but I love the shape of it, and it's just, it feels awesome. I don't know how else to explain it. Okay, you twist off the cap, pull it out, and it's got this slanted tip. Are you ready for this? It's like rubber. It's so awesome. I know I just squeezed some out, but I freaking love this stuff. Okay, first of all, like I said, the tip is like super rubbery, and it feels awesome when you put it on your lips because it's all like bendy and soft. I know I just look so silly doing that, but I love the feeling of this tip on my mouth. It feels great, and I kind of like to bite on it too because it's really fun. Okay, anyways, and the product rocks. It is my all-time favoriteest lip gloss ever. It is so smooth. It's thin, but it stays on your lips. It's perfect. It's not sticky. It's not too thick. It's not so thin that you feel like you're putting water on your lips. No smell. It just feels like really lubey. I know it sounds so weird, but it feels kind of like lube. But it feels fantastic. I love it. This is my favorite lip gloss, and by far my favorite hard candy product. So guys, that's it for this one. Hopefully that wasn't too long, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you have any comments or questions about any of the stuff that I showed, please let me know, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys liked it. I love you. Bye.